All right, welcome back to another edition of Melody Fiber News. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get it started, family. This is midday. This is July 27th. The time is 12:06 p.m. All right, let's go ahead and get it started. Looking at the markets. All right, we look at the S&P 500 is up, the Dow is up, Nasdaq is up, the Russell's 2000 is up. This is up by YahooFinance.com. All right, we switch over. We start looking at some other current some money financial news. The 10-year bond is down. GDP to US dollar is down. The US dollar to the Japanese to the yen is down. Bitcoin in US dollars you see is down. All right, the CMC crypto is 200 is down. The FTSE 100 is up. The Nikkei 225 is up. All right, and we got a little special guest here. My little baby boy son joined me. He want to join us for the newscast. All right, so we're going to keep it continue here. All right, we're gonna get into let's get into kitco.com. We're now looking at the spot price for the asking price for gold. I know. Watch out, son. We still doing newscasts. All right, we're looking at some more market news, but the U.S. spot market is open. Spot price is open as it closes, as you can see. Gold is down $25. Silver is down. Palladium is flat, is unchanged. Palladium is up, and rhodium is unchanged. All right. Switching, we go down here to the world spot price, the same. Gold and silver getting hit across the board. Palladium, platinum, and rhodium all doing either doing unchanged or doing good. All right. Take a look at that. Look at the gold ratios to the silver gold ratios. All right. How much for each metal it takes to equal 1 ounce of gold. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and get into the news. All right. This is from ZeroHedge.com. And delusional push. LBMA threatens to blacklist entire gold trading centers. All right. All right, so we switch down here. Look at early November. It was already causing controversy. All right, the self-styled gold market authority and the bullion banks control London. All right, they control the London Bullion, LBMA, London Bullion Market Association. And later issued a leading bullion market around the world, threatening to blacklist gold bullion from the country that fails to meet the LBMA recommendations. All gold sourcing and supply chains, the elimination of cash transactions, and the support of arsenal small scale mining. All right, or ASM. All right, so the push is on to get control of the gold market. This is big news that they're threatening to ban countries if they don't get in line with their market association. We already know the LBMA is in a war with the COMEX right now. That's London and New York are in a fight with each other. All right, and even Chicago is jumping in. Okay, all right. So remember, we reported the LBMA in order to get the gold trading hub from the RB trading hub from the Chinese. They're throwing New York under the bus. This is the next step. All right, for them trying to get in control of the R&B trading hub. All right. All right, we go back to yahoofinance.com. Get it up a little bit. Sorry about that. All right, sorry about that. This is another one from zerohedge.com. Sorry about that. Disney Thanksgiving presents another 4,000 layoffs. So you see again, here we go. They've laid off close to almost 100,000. They plan on laying close to almost 100,000 people. All right, we're going rounding that number up. It's well on its way to about almost 100,000 people that are getting ready to let go from their resorts. All right, so go ahead and take a look at that one. That was from zerohedge.com. All right. All right. And then even from not just the media, Disney and other corporate, the financial sector, the retail sector, but we're looking at Hollywood now. All right, this is from Variety.com. All right, Variety.com. All right, Hollywood grapples with massive layoffs as the biz redefines itself for streaming futures. All right, so with people go ahead and digging into it, we already know what's going on. People are not going to see the movies. Movie theaters are being shuttered and shut down. Even some of the big name movies, as you can see, the poster for Wonder Woman 1984. It is about to hit HBO Max. It's about to go pretty much straight to HBO Max, and even some of the financial the well-known streaming channels. All right, Hollywood is losing big on this. All right, this is going to come to a head soon, and so they got to figure out what's going on. All right, so and then let's get back to this one right here, family. All right. We haven't recorded on bank closures in a while, but this is from the FDIC website, the Federal Depository Insurance Corporation. All right. So we switch down here, look at it. All right, we had 2 more bank closures. All right, you can see the last bank closure we reported on. That was on April 3rd, First State Bank. But look here, just a little bit, just almost about a month. It's almost November, December. But look at it, family. 2 more banks got closed in October. All right, Amnell State Bank, Amnell, Kansas, and First City Bank in Florida, in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. All right, so these banks continue to being shut down. The contagion starts off as small banks. All right, and then all of a sudden you start seeing bigger banks, medium-sized banks, large banks, and then the big conglomerate banks. All right, they're all starting to shut down, and these banks are coming in. All right, the FDIC can't rescue everybody. All right, and if you look at it, all right, let's look at Amil State Bank. They had about 70 million in assets, and First City Bank in Florida, they had about 134.7 million in assets. All right, these are the banks we're going to take it over. You switch over, they say the acquiring transactions. Equity Bank has agreed to take over all deposits, so people can continue going on. And United Fidelity Bank has agreed to assume all deposits. All right. So once again, you see things are not going as great as they think they are. Things are happening. All right. All right. I know, but when the newscast is almost over, all right. All right, this is a short one for today. You heard my little baby boy D Ray. He's joined us today. All right, so once again, thank you for joining us another edition of LBMA News. I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving. Remember, the news doesn't stop. Just because it's a holiday, that's when the news actually breaks and comes out. All right, so please pay attention, family. Thank you for joining us once again. Be your own banker. Be your own credit union. Be your own savings and loans. You are your best financier, and take care of yourself. Once again, thank you for joining us. Let's get it started. Let's get it started, D Ray. All right. See you later.